Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Price continues to consolidate, and overall the chart is still perfectly fine. To add a little bit of perspective here, you can see that, considering that, not that long ago the price was down, around $1.70 mark, and now it's all the way up here. Yeah, sure, the price is pulled back from its highs up at, right around the 260 mark. So of course there is perspective that goes into this, as you watch this. If you consider yourself a day trader and, you bought right up there and you wanted to sell within 20 minutes after buying, well then yeah, for you the chart's looking kind of rough. But assuming you care about more so the big picture point of view, then I get it. Like I said, there has been a pullback. But when you take a step back and look at things from, the grand scheme of things, it should become pretty apparent that when you look at, where the lows have been, then yeah, over time, and if you picture these as stair steps, the lows have increased higher and higher, and that's the name of the game. That's, how uptrends are constructed, and as long as uptrends are in place, then that's just a sign of bullishness. Now, I want to kind of zoom in here and talk more so about kind of the near-term levels of support, and ideally speaking going forward, if the price can hold up above that purple line there, that would be great. That is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Now, in the event the price does not hold above it, I'm not saying that ruins the entire chart or anything like that, but yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can stay up above that area, that would be a nice sign of power. In the event the price cannot hold above that, then the next key overall level of support to keep an eye on would be down there right around $2.25. Now, what about areas of resistance? Now, the overall area of resistance is just going to be up here where the party stopped a couple days ago, and that is at right around $2.58. But in my mind, the kind of the near-term level to keep an eye on that's kind of hiding out right here is at right around $2.50. If you go back to the history of things, you can see that several occasions rejected, and then today rejected. It's very clear that right around $2.50 there is some sellers. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price, can't break above it or anything like that. I'm just saying apparently according to the story that's being told to us, before you start talking about doing battle up here at the 258 mark, that first hurdle that needs to be cleared is going to be right there at 250. All in all though, like I said, overall trend is still bullish, so we'll see if the bulls can get the breakout or not next week.